So our next section is 8.2, which is properties of exponential functions. And for this part, we are going to graph y equals ab when a is less than 0. So our formulas we are going to be using is y equals 1/2 times 6 to the power of x, and y equals -1/2 6 to the power of x. So here is our table of values, and x's we are going to be using ranges from -2 to 3. So first we would have to input our -2 from x into our formula. So with this we would get 0.0138, 0.0833, 1 divided by 2, 3, 18, and 108. And then for our second part, since our half is just negative in this section, we will just have to flip these to negative. So instead of positive, it'll be 0.0138 negative. And we'll just continue to do this for all of our y coordinates. And when we get this, we can use this to make our smooth curves, and we'll just have to graph the coordinates using our x and y coordinates. So this would be like our first thing, like for example these two would look like -2, 0.0138, and our graph would look something like this. And our opposite graph will look something like this. And that is how you graph y equals ab when a is less than 0. So for our chapter 8, for our section 8.2, our last part will be translation y equals ab. And for this we will graph 4 times 1/2 and 4 times 1/2 plus 3. So our horizontal asymptote is y equals 0. So for 4 times 1/2 plus 2 and h minus 2 and k equals 2, so we will shift the graph of the parent function 2 units left and 3 units up. The horizontal is now y equals 2. And for this we will graph from here. And our horizontal asymptote will be here. So instead of graphing from here, we will graph from here. So this is 2, 3, and 4. So it'll look like this. And this. And that would be translating y equals a times b.